Taking a look at our schematics, we can see that the bottom rail kick plate has a width of 3 inches. Now our objective at this point is only to cut the width and not to cut the shape. Our material currently has 1 straight lined edge and 1 rough edge. I'm going to take my straight lined edge and run that through the joiner a couple times to clean that up. The table saw will be set to 3 inches plus 1/16, and with my good clean jointed edge up against the fence, I can make my cut. And I am left with 1 good clean jointed edge, 1 mill marked edge by the table saw blade, and my offcut piece. I'm going to clean up my mill marked edge on the joiner. This will take off that additional 1/16 of an inch. I now have a finished width of 3 inches by an oversized length of 21 inches by a thickness that is about 1 inch. And for the time being, we are going to leave this at our oversized length of 21 inches and move on to making the top front rail.